Hello, welcome to this first video in our PySpark series. We will explore DataFrame transformation in Databricks. If you are new to PySpark or looking to enhance your skills, you are in the right place. In this video, we will dive into some powerful PySpark methods that will help you to analyze and transform big data efficiency. Especially we will cover cube, groupBy, pivot, and cogroup. These are essential tools for performing advanced aggregations and working with a large dataset in real-world scenarios. So, grab a coffee, sit back, and let's get started. Imagine you are a data engineer working for a global e-commerce company. Your team needs detailed insight into sales performance across different product categories, customer segment, and time frame. You've been tasked to process a dataset that combines sales transaction and customer details. Using PySpark in Databricks, we will explore how to effectively summarize and analyze this data using advanced transformation. Our dataset is a blend of sales transaction and customer demographics. Let's break it down. The dataset includes transaction ID, a unique identifier for each transaction, customer ID, ID linking the customer to transaction, region, the geographic region where the sale occurs, product category, the category of the product sold, and sale amount, the monetary value of the transaction, and finally customer age group, the age group of customer. The goal of this anchor trend like which region and category perform best, how sales vary by age group, and to create flexible aggregations for deeper insights. Let's create this data set in PySpark and see it in action. First of all, I import necessary library. And initialize a Spark decision. And create a data frame. And finally show the data in data frame. This dataset represents a simplified yet realistic e-commerce dataset. Each row corresponds to a transaction, and the columns provide details about the customer, the product, and the sale amount. Now let's dive into the methods one by one. The groupBy method allows us to group the data by one or more columns and apply aggregations, such as summing sales amounts for each region. This is the simplest way to perform aggregation in PySpark. Here we grouped the data by the region column and calculate the total sale amount for each region. This gives us a basic breakdown of the sale performance by region. The cube method generates aggregations for all possible combinations of specified columns, including subtotals and a grand total. Let's use cube to calculate sales by region and product category. With the cube, we get total sales for each region and product category combinations along with subtotal for each region, each product category, and the grand total all sales. Next, we will use the pivot method, which is great for reshaping data into a more readable format. For example, let's calculate sales for each product category as columns grouped by region. Here, each product category becomes a column, and the sales amount for each region are neatly aligned. This makes it easy to compare sales across product category. Cogroup. The cogroup method is more advanced and allows you to combine two RDDs or DataFrame for custom transformation. Let's demonstrate by co-grouping transactions and a data set of customer information. Let's start by creating a sample dataset for our customers. This includes a unique customer ID, their name, and the region they belong to. We define this as a list of the tuple. Next, we convert this list into a PySpark data frame called customer df with the column names, customer ID, customer name, and region. This customer df now holds our customer detail in a structure format. Now we need to convert boost our transaction data frame and the customer df into RDDs. To do this, we use the groupBy method, which extracts the customer ID for each records as a key. Okay, and here. And similarly for customer df. With this RDS key by method, ensure that boost datasets are keyed by customer ID. Now we use the cogroup method to combine two RDDs on the shared key. This step brings together transaction records and customer details for each customer ID. And finally, let's collect the result and print them. we will iterate over the cogroup RDD, and for each key, I mean customer ID, we will display the list of transaction and customer details. The loop looks like this.
That is the end of the listening test. In the IELTS test, you would now have 10 minutes to transfer your answers to the answer sheet.
Here what's happening, value 0 contains the transaction associated with the customer, and value 1 contains the corresponding customer details. This is how the cogroup method merge data from two different sources while preserving their structure. And I must add this note. We join the transaction data with the customer details using cogroup, which allowed us to group data from whose dataset based on the customer ID. This is useful for advanced custom transformation. This warm-up for explorations of PySpark transformation in Databricks. Today we covered groupBy, cube, pivot, and cogroup using a realistic dataset. Each of these methods is powerful on its own, but combined, they can tackle complex data processing tasks efficiently. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Stay tuned for our next video where we will dive deeper into PySpark functions and optimization. See you next time.